Today we talk about how can you delete your Vic ID account on your backup. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this, and you click here on edit profile. So then you come to your profile here, then you go down and you click here on security. So then it's going to take you to next pair, just switching to open video. It's going to take a time. So then you go down here, you keep going down and you come here to delete Vic ID account and you click here on delete account. So then it's going to delete video on your Vic app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.